So I want to take you through the instruments that we use when we are constructing different angles. This is a geometrical set. In this geometrical set, we have instruments that we use when we are constructing either angles or we are constructing geometrical figures. When you look at this is what we call pair of compasses. It is called pair of compasses, not just a compass. It is a pair of compasses. Mine is having this. So this is what we call a pair of compasses. We have this one. This one is called a pair of divider. This is a pair of divider. We have this one. It is called a pencil. This one is called a protractor. It is called a protractor. This is a ruler. People always call it long ruler, but we don't have short ruler. It is just a ruler. This one we have set squares. The set squares we have here. We have a rubber. We have a rubber. This rubber is used maybe when you have made a mistake and you want to raise it off. You can use it to raise. This is a sharpener. Always when it comes to construction, I advise you to use a sharp pencil. Your pencil must be sharpened. Your pencil must be sharpened. Oh, it is taking time to come out. So this is a sharpener. So always make sure that your pencil is sharpened whenever you are doing construction. Guys, today we are going to handle construction. Guys, thank you so much. You're most welcome for today's lesson. Today I'll be taking you through how to construct an angle of 30 degrees without bisecting. We all know that in order to construct an angle of 30 degrees, we are supposed to construct an angle of 60 degrees first. After constructing an angle of 60 degrees, and then we need to bisect. To bisect simply means to divide something into two equal parts. So we are supposed to bisect an angle of 60 degrees in order to get an angle of 30 degrees. But today I will be showing you how to construct an angle of 30 degrees without bisecting. Here, let's go, guys. So you need to be having a pair of compasses. This is what we are calling a pair of compasses. You need to be having a ruler, which is here. This one is not necessary at this point, but I always advise my learners to have all these instruments because this protractor will help the child to confirm or to verify that the answer he or she is having is correct. So after constructing an angle, you need to measure so that you confirm that what you have constructed is correct. Let's go, guys. So what you're going to do, you pick your ruler. You pick your ruler. If you have your instruments ready, we can go together, guys. We go. Pick your ruler. You draw a line. Draw a straight line. Make sure that the line is straight and don't repeat the line. Don't repeat the line. There are some learners, they end up spoiling their construction by repeating the line many times. You find the child is drawing the line repeatedly. They are repeating the line many times, and then there you will not come out with the accurate construction. After drawing this line, so you are going to mark. You are going to mark a point. I'm going to mark here. You mark anywhere. You mark a point. What? After marking this point, you will put the compass point exactly where you have marked. Put the compass point where you have marked. Then you draw an arc to cut the line. 1. Continue. Put it where you have just drawn the arc. Draw another arc there to cut the line again. 2. There are 3. 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to put my compass point at the last point where the arc, the last arc is. So you draw an arc above like that without adjusting. So you bring it here, the middle one, where it is cutting the line. Draw another arc to cut the line, the arc above. You get it? So what you are going to do now, after drawing that, you are going to identify where the two arcs are meeting. So they are meeting here. Identify where the two arcs are meeting. So now what we are going to do, we are going to join this point to this point. Don't join it here to here. No, join this point where the two arcs are meeting to the first point where you marked. So I'm going to join the 2 points. We go, guys. So make sure that you are accurate. This is where your accuracy matters. Now look at that. This is the angle of 30 degrees that we are talking about. You mark this point. You mark this point. This is 30 degrees. You write. This is the angle of 30 degrees. So to confirm that you are correct, pick your protractor. Pick your protractor. You measure this angle, whether it is 30 degrees. Before you continue answering other questions, make sure that you confirm whether your answer is correct. Don't rush to go to the next question before you confirm. You might have constructed something which is not accurate. So you correct there and then. Mine is accurate. It is 30 degrees, guys. Thank you so much. We meet in the next lesson.